So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum. Find from the definition the derivative of x to the power minus 3 by 2 at x is equal to 3. Okay. The derivative of x to the power minus 3 by 2 at x is equal to 3. So I am doing the sum. Watch it very carefully. Let f of x is equal to x to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay, so therefore f of x plus h, f of x plus h is x plus h to the power minus 3 by 2, right? So now using the definition, of derivative of f of x with respect to x at the point x, we get, okay, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is x plus h to the power minus 3 by 2 minus x to the power minus 3 by 2 by h. Okay, so now let x plus h is equal to z. Okay, when h tends to 0, z tends to x, right? So therefore f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, x plus h to the power minus 3 by 2 minus x to the power minus 3 by 2 by h. Okay, so now is equal to limit z tends to x by x plus h is how, what, x plus h is z, so z to the power minus 3 by 2 minus x to the power minus 3 by 2 by x plus h is z, so h is equal to z minus x. Okay, so it will be minus 3 by 2 into x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so it will be minus 3 by 2 into x, LCM will be 2, minus 3 minus 2, so minus 3 by 2 into x to the power minus 5 by 2, right? So therefore the required derivative of f of x at x is equal to 3 is f dash 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2, x is 3, so 3 into minus 5 by 2, so this can be written as minus 3 by 2 into 3 to the power minus 5 by 2 means what, 1 by 3 to the power 5 by 2, right? Clear? So this will be minus 3 to the power 1 minus 5 by 2, 3 to the power 1 minus 5 by 2 that is equal to minus 3 to the power 2 2 minus 5 by 2. Okay, that means what? Minus 3. 2 minus 5 means what? Minus 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2 by 2, right? That means minus 1 by 2 into 3 to the power minus 3 by 2 means 1 by 3 to the power 3 by 2, right? So you can end up the answer over here also, or you can write up to here also. Okay, you can end up over here also, or you can end up over here also, right? So this is the answer. Clear? Thank you.